my name is Sophie and I'm a volunteer at CCCSA. Today we will be making Oobleck, an easy science experiment that you guys can do at home too. Oobleck is similar to slime, but the cool part is that it's both a liquid and a solid. Let's get started and I'll show you what I mean. All you'll need is some cornstarch, water, something to mix with and hold it all in, and I will also be adding some food coloring, but that's optional. If you did decided you want some color, go ahead and add a few drops of your food coloring into your water and just mix it around and put it aside. Now, when making Oobleck, you need a 2-to-1 ratio. So that means 2 parts of cornstarch to 1 part of water. So think of it as double the amount of cornstarch or half the amount of water. So in here, I have 1 cup of cornstarch and a half cup of water. Now, what you want to do is you want to add in your cornstarch and you're going to slowly mix in your water into it. I'm starting off with a spoon, but as you continue to mix, you'll find that it'll get a bit harder, so don't hesitate and use your hands if you need to. Your final product should look like this. All your cornstarch is dissolved, but it's not too runny. You can see that I am tapping fast and hard onto the surface of the Oobleck. Nothing gets on my hand and it's acting like a solid. But as soon as I just let my hand stay on the surface of the Oobleck, it can sink right through like a liquid. You can also try rolling the Oobleck up into a ball like so. But as soon as you stop rolling, the Oobleck will start to flow out of your hand. I hope you guys have so much fun trying this out at home, and do remember to clean up after you're done. Bye, kids!